Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I will demonstrate you a very common problem of 2023. As you can see, this is one of my teacher's laptop and this laptop has 79% of charge. This is plugged in, but the highest charging limit is 79%. So my teacher obviously thought his battery or charger has some kind of problem. But believe me, this is not the case. This is a feature implemented by HP or Microsoft. This is not your battery's fault. This is not your charger's fault. And in this video I will show you how to resolve this issue, and after that you can again charge your laptop up to 100%. To solve this issue, you first need to go to BIOS. To enter BIOS, I need to restart this laptop. F10 is the BIOS menu of this laptop. BIOS button can be different depending on your laptop's model. Please check the manual. Yes, I am entering the startup menu. Then I am go to BIOS setup. F10. BIOS setup. Then for this HP EliteBook 840G3, I need to go to advanced, then power management option. Look at this option. There is a new option called battery health manager, and it is now set to maximize my battery health. And this setting will maximize my battery health by lowering maximum battery charge level up to 80%. So this is it. This is the reason this laptop is not charging up to 100%. And if I select maximize my battery duration, now it is saying your battery will always charge up to 100% to maximize your battery duration. This may shorten your battery lifespan. Whatever, I am choosing this option, then click save. This is it. This is the solution. Now my HP EliteBook 840G3 will be charged up to 100%. This is a common problem in many laptops right now. Companies should be make the user aware of this issue. Otherwise, we the user can easily think this is some kind of problem. Please let me know in the comment section what is your laptop condition and how do you resolve that. Like this video, and if you feel necessary, then share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.